Welcome to Skills. Learn creative skills to achieve your personal and professional goals. Click on link in description below to try out, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you love art but think going digital is daunting, then grab your iPad and let's demystify Adobe Illustrator together. Meet Tracey Capone, an illustrator with a decade of experience, ready to guide you through her Skillshare class on Adobe Illustrator for iPad. This beginner-friendly course is packed with practical projects to help you master the basics and unleash your creativity on the go. Starting with the user interface, Tracey walks you through each tool you'll need to craft your first floral illustration. Learn to navigate effortlessly, build vibrant color palettes, and create compelling compositions using shapes, the pen tool, and the magical pencil tool. But it doesn't stop at drawing. Discover how to add text, use clipping groups for textures, and even export your masterpieces to share with the world. Tracey's class isn't just about learning, it's about creating. You'll finish with your own set of floral designs, showcasing your new skills and creative vision. Join thousands of students who've started their digital art journey with Tracey on Skillshare. Ready to transform your artistic ideas into digital reality? It's time to sketch, shape, and share with confidence.